Publish SEO-optimized content in minutes. See how Waravel's page generator plugin creates dozens of high-ranking pages from a single template. Let's get started. Expand configuration options to customize meta tags, URLs, and content variations for better rankings. Expand configuration options to customize meta tags, URLs, and content variations for better rankings. Start with a blank template to build your SEO content strategy from the ground up. Upload your existing content, CSV files, or data sources to populate pages instantly across your site. Specify target keywords or leave it open to generate versatile content that adapts to search intent. Open advanced settings to control how your pages are structured and indexed by search engines. Jump to schema settings to add structured data that helps search engines understand your content better. Include FAQ schema so your questions and answers appear directly in search engine results. Specify your service types to create targeted landing pages that rank for specific offerings. Watch the plugin generate 254 unique SEO-ready pages from your template in seconds. Hit publish and watch your SEO-optimized pages go live, ready to attract organic traffic. Ready to scale your content strategy? You've seen how easy it is. Now imagine hundreds of ranking pages driving traffic to your site. Let's build that.